Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Okay, so you can apply this for daily charts, let's say on Starbucks. Okay, you can also apply it to a longer time frame. Okay, so let's say example just now, the previous stocks we talked about previously, we talked about this Microsoft. This is the daily chart right now, but if I change it to weekly chart, okay, the setup is the same. Okay, you can use the same setup, but right now instead of a daily chart, right now it's a weekly chart. So in the weekly charts, the setup is the same. We want to wait for 2040, okay, wait for pullback CCI low to trigger. Okay, I'll share about some distinctions right now, but in the future video, why you can actually enter here and enter here. So the CCI low, CCI low, CCI low, all this enable you to get the correct setup, even on the weekly charts. Okay. Not only that, we can also look at other setup in the future. Okay, so same thing for Starbucks. Starbucks, right? This is the Starbucks daily chart right now. Okay, what if I can change? I can also do the same thing for here, which is the daily chart. I can also do it to a weekly chart, and then the same principle applies. So here, price come down, CCI low. This will be a trigger to go long again. So the only difference between the daily and weekly charts is the entry and the target. So for daily charts, you take profit in the next 5 days. For weekly charts, you take profit in the next 5 weeks. Okay, so that's the difference between two. And the stop loss, okay, of course for weekly chart is bigger compared to daily chart is smaller. Okay, so these are some distinction of swing trade today. Okay, in the future I'll cover other distinction about swing trade. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find a video useful, click on the link below to subscribe or click on the bell to get notification. See you next time. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.